के लिए। तो आज हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे उससे रिलेटेड। तो मोस्टली ये क्वेश्चंस PYQ से रिलेटेड होंगे और अकॉर्डिंग टू द एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे। तो चलते हैं। NAP 2020 recommends achieving 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education in which year? So answer is 2030. According to NAP 2020, school education reconstructing has how many stages? So 4 stages, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. The foundational stage in NEP 2020 covers which age group? 3 to 8 years. So the foundation stage किस एज में आती है? 3 से 8 years के बीच में. Which commission's reports heavily influenced NEP 2020? TSR Subramaniam Committee 2016. What is the target year of achieving 50% gross enrollment ratio in higher education? 2035. Which body will replace UGC, AICTE, NCTE as per NEP 2020? Answer is Higher Education Commission of India, HECI. फुल फॉर्म्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. NEP 2020 recommends compulsory education for which age? 3 years. Early childhood care added. National Assessment Center for Assessment Reforms is known as PARAK. NEP 2020 focuses on which student-centered approach? So answer is experiential learning, holistic learning and critical learning. Board exams under NEP 2020 will shift towards which type of assessment? Competency-based assessment. Next is multidisciplinary education is promoted through which concept? Multiple entry, multiple exit, MEME. NCERT will develop which new national curriculum framework? So the answer is, 4 answer is NCFSC, NCFFS, NCFTE for teacher education, NCFEECCE early childhood. In NEP 2020, how many years of teacher education will become standard? 4 years of B.Ed. तो अब 4 साल का B.Ed हो जाएगा. 2030 से टारगेट कर रहे हैं. What is the proposed minimum qualification for teaching? 4 year of integrate B.Ed degree. NEP 2020 proposes to reduce curriculum content in order to promote what? Critical thinking, inquiry based learning. तो अभी के लिए इतने क्वेश्चंस बहुत हैं.